Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to turn off the print screen button from opening the print snipping tool after you are done taking a screen snipping or screenshot. I show you guys how to do it. You just need to right click on the start icon and select settings. On left side select accessibility. On right side you just need to scroll down and select a keyboard. In here you just need to scroll down on screen keyboard access keys and print screen. Under here if you do not want to use the print screen key to open up the snipping tool, then you just need to toggle to off position this option guys. Use the print screen key to open screen capture, toggle to off position, and that's all you have to do it guys. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.